Hey guys, today we are in Skoda Octavia with this new navigation system, infotainment system, and I'm going to check if there's a way of rebooting this system. So right now I'm in my menu and I want to reboot the system for some reason. Maybe the navigation is not working correctly, maybe something is laggy, maybe I've made some coding and adaptation changes and I need the system to be reboot for those changes to be applied. So there's the power button over here, and if you press the finger, place your finger over here, it will go to the clock, to the standby mode, and if you press and hold it for about 10 seconds, the unit should reboot. So let's wait about 10 seconds right now, and after those 10 seconds we should see the screen goes completely dark and the system reboots. So after a while we should see the Skoda logo over here. So let's wait. Yes, it's here, and after a while the system should just turn on. You need to give it some time to load all the components, and right now you can see that the system is still loading. All the applications are arriving, and in a couple of seconds it will be fully ready for you, and responsiveness will be as expected. Okay, so that's it. Give it a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, subscribe for future ones, and see you soon.